Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today, we begin our journey focusing on the frog, a classic example of dual adaptation for aquatic and terrestrial life. In this episode, we'll study its external morphology, body organization, and unique features that make it a perfect bridge between water and land. Before we dive in, here's a quick question for you. Which organ in the frog helps in both respiration and water absorption? Keep watching to find out. Also, don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series for quick revision. The common Indian frog, Hoplobatrachus tigerinus, is an amphibian that lives both on land and in water. Its body has a head and trunk, but no neck or tail. The skin is smooth, moist, and rich in mucus glands and chromatophores, which aid in breathing and camouflage. It has large bulging eyes with a nictitating membrane for protection, and a tympanum that acts as its ear. The short forelimbs help in support, while the long, webbed hind limbs are made for jumping and swimming. Males have vocal sacs and nuptial pads, while females are usually larger, showing sexual dimorphism. The frog shows a well-developed organ system and bilateral symmetry, meaning its body can be divided into two halves. It is triploblastic, characterized by three distinct body layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Frogs are eucoelomates, meaning they have a true coelom lined by mesoderm that holds organs like the heart, lungs, stomach, liver, and reproductive organs. There is no segmentation in the adult frog, and the body has an endoskeleton made of cartilage and bone for support and movement. The frog has a complete digestive system that runs from the mouth to the cloaca. Its mouth is wide and has tiny teeth for holding prey. The tongue is sticky and forked, attached at the front, and flips out to catch insects easily. Food passes through the buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestines, and finally leaves through the cloaca. The liver makes bile to break down fats, and the pancreas releases enzymes to digest proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Digestion happens outside the cells, inside the alimentary canal. The frog has a closed circulatory system, where blood always flows inside vessels. Its heart has 3 chambers, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. The right atrium gets deoxygenated blood from the body, while the left atrium gets oxygenated blood from the lungs and skin. Both atria open into a single ventricle, where the 2 types of blood mix slightly. From the ventricle, blood is pumped out through the truncus arteriosus to different parts of the body. Frogs show incomplete double circulation, as blood passes through the heart twice during one complete round. Their red blood cells have hemoglobin, which carries oxygen. Frogs breathe in 3 ways: through the skin, buccal cavity, and lungs. Cutaneous respiration happens through the moist skin, letting oxygen pass directly from the environment. This is important during hibernation or estivation. Buccopharyngeal respiration occurs through the lining of the mouth and throat when the frog is resting on land. Pulmonary respiration uses the lungs, which are thin-walled and active when the frog is moving on land. Frogs don't have a diaphragm, so they use buccal pumping to push air into the lungs. This flexible breathing system allows frogs to live both in water and on land. The frog has a well-developed nervous system with central, peripheral, and autonomic parts. The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. The brain has 3 regions. Forebrain controls smell and senses. Midbrain controls vision. Hindbrain includes cerebellum and medulla, managing balance, coordination, and involuntary actions. The spinal cord runs from the brain and handles reflexes and body movement. The peripheral nervous system has cranial and spinal nerves connecting the brain and spinal cord to the body. The autonomic system controls involuntary functions like heartbeat and digestion. Frogs also have sensory organs like eyes, tympanum, lateral line, in tadpoles, and olfactory receptors, helping them interact with their environment. Let's quickly recap the frog. Frogs have an organ system level body, bilateral symmetry, and are triploblastic coelomates. Externally, They have a head and trunk, smooth, moist skin, forelimbs with 4 fingers, and webbed hind limbs with 5 toes. The digestive system is complete, with a sticky, forked tongue and small teeth to hold prey. The circulatory system is closed, with a 3-chambered heart and incomplete double circulation. They breathe through the skin, buccal cavity, and lungs, using buccal pumping to move air into the lungs. The nervous system has the CNS, PNS, and autonomic system, controlling reflexes and senses. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following statements about the frog is correct? Is it option A? Frog has a 3-chambered heart with incomplete double circulation. Is it option B? Lungs are the main respiratory organ during hibernation. Is it option C? Maxillary teeth chew the food completely. I sit option D. The hindbrain controls smell and sensory integration. Comment your answers or send them to us on Telegram or Instagram. That is all for this episode. We've now completed our separate episodes on earthworm, cockroach, and frog. You understand their body structure, organ systems, and morphology clearly. In the next episode, we'll compare all 3 in a side-by-side table, looking at symmetry and germ layers, coelom type, circulatory and respiratory systems, digestive, excretory, and nervous systems, locomotion and adaptations. This comparison will help you revise quickly and spot NEET important questions easily. See you in the next episode.